What are you doing to me? I'm being attacked by sheep. Oh my goodness. They're attacking. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? The sheep are attacking. Are you licking my leg? What are you doing? Are you mad that I stopped petting you? And you, dude, you're not a lap dog. You guys, you're not lap dogs. I can pet you, but you can't attack me like this. Oh my gosh. You see Klaus? Yeah, the doggy's running. You can't fight over my cuddles. I can cuddle both of you. I can cuddle both of you. Yes, I can, you little man. You little stinker. Look at that nose. Oh my god, look at your nose. Look at your nose. It's the cutest thing in the whole wide world. You are mad that you're not getting attention, so you're pawing at me? Really? Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys are so needy. You are so needy.